your vehicle won't start? Well, look at these three things: your battery, your starter, and your alternator. If it's your starter, you'll try to stick your keys into the ignition and turn over, and you'll only hear a click or nothing at all. That's probably a good indication that it might be your starter. To test that, go ahead and smack that starter with a ratchet. If it turns over then, you know you got a bad starter. When it comes to your alternator with the vehicle running and using a multimeter, it should be testing at above 13.5 or higher in voltage. If it's not, you got a bad alternator. If it's not your alternator or your starter, better start looking at your battery and wiring. I hope these tips help.